Good morning, Wiki Whoops.
What?
What? Already in the kitchen. What are you doing? I just entered the farm this morning. Farm and go sit at the table. My kids are on spring break, so let's make some breakfast because they're hungry and I'm hungry. The top to the farm. Gross. Rice or no rice? Maybe. Maybe just maybe. Who ate all the pots and pans, man? These are the best sausages ever. Brown sugar and honey. Second best. Why these eggs good? Come out of here. Man, what a pepper, man. I was gonna say, we ain't never done none of these house. The best pancake mix. Get all your money's worth. Yes, sir. Now, why you dumping the parm on the couch? That's our next task after I get this food done. I like my batter a little thin. I don't like it thick like that. Yes, sir. What you doing in that refrigerator? And you see me cooking. Let's clean up this mess right quick. You doing too much. Parm. Are you sitting here singing while I'm over here breaking my back? Man, you love me? Oh.